Hi, welcome back. Programming, like any other skill, gets better with experience. We use the Integrated Development Environment or IDE to practice programming. But why do we need an IDE? Let's take an example of cooking to understand this. Cooking is an art. We may learn about cooking by reading books, watching videos, or by discussing it with someone who knows it. But when it comes to actual cooking, that is, practicing the art of cooking, we need a kitchen. Because kitchen is the place where all the equipments which we need to cook the dish, that is the utensils, the gas stove and the ingredients, are available. In a similar manner, we can learn programming through different ways, such as reading books or by watching videos, but when it comes to practicing programming skills, we need an integrated development environment. IDE is a software suite that consolidates the basic tools that developers need to write and test a software. Typically, an IDE contains a code editor, a compiler, and a debugger. Now, let's understand the use of each of these tools. The code editor is a text editor designed for writing source code. The compiler transforms source code written in a human-readable language into a form executable by a computer. The debugger is used during testing to help debug application programs. We have understood the use of IDEs. Now, what do you think? Can we write a program without using IDE? The answer is yes, we can. But in that case, we need to configure multiple development tools like text editor, compiler, and debugger. With an IDE, we can write the code, compile it, and test it on the same platform, which saves our time as we don't have to switch between different tools. There are different types of IDEs which support different languages. In this training program, we will use the Dev C++ IDE. This IDE supports the C and C++ languages. This is all about IDEs in this tutorial. But we have some more information about the IDEs in the helper text below. So if you want to learn more about them, please refer to the helper text below.